आज मैं 10th क्लास के एक टॉपिक एक चैप्टर सर्किल के बारे में थोड़ा सा आपको बता रहा हूँ। इसमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ें यूज होती हैं। टॉपिक है हमारा सर्किल। सर्किल में सबसे पहली चीज़ जो आपको याद रखनी है वो है दिस वन इज अ कॉर्ड a line which intersects the circle at 2 points. Second is diameter. O is the center. Or third line is called secant, which crosses a circle. This one is diameter. This one is chord. And this one is secant. This you have to learn. Secondly, this point is A, this point is B. This arc, minor arc, minor arc. Notation AB, this sign represent arc. This size, major arc. This one is major arc. And this one is minor arc. This one is minor arc. So these you have to learn. Another thing is segment. This one, this portion is called minor segment. Minor segment. And this portion, this rest of the portion, this portion is called major segment. Major segment. Every student must learn these parts. These are the basic ideas. Next is here is the center. This one is called sector. This portion is called sector. This one is R is equal to radius. This length is radius. Center O. This portion is called sector, minor sector. Now the theorem based on it. The first theorem of circle is according to NCERT, theorem 10.1. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. What exactly is given to you? Circle is given. Equal chords are given. AB and CD are two equal chords. Subtend equal angle at the center. Here is a center. This chord subtend the angle AOB at the center. Another chord subtend the angle at the center is COD. This angle and this angle, they are called angle made by chord AB is 1 angle subtended by chord CD is angle 2. So what you have to prove? Equal chords. It is given these chords are equal. So first given part is equal chords. AB is equal to CD. Equal chords. Subtend equal angle at the center. What you have to prove? To prove equal angles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. जो चीज़ आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं दैट इज गिवन, और जो आपको प्रूव करनी लिखा है इक्वल एंगल्स, आपको गिवन था क्या? इक्वल कॉर्ड्स आर गिवन टू यू, सबटेंड इक्वल एंगल. तो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू प्रूव एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. टू प्रूव दिस पार्ट, proof is very simple. In triangle AOB, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, in these two triangles, this side is equal to this side because it is a radius. Given part AB is equal to CD, these two chords are equal and these are well known, these are the radius. OA, OB, OC, OD are the radius. They are already equal to each other. So I can write OB is equal to OC. It is given. OA is equal to OD. It is again given because of they are radii of circle, radii of circle. The third thing is given to you, AB is equal to CD. It is again given. Everything is given to you. So now these two triangles AOB congruent to triangle COD by which rule? Side, 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 side. In triangle AOB, these three sides. In triangle COD, these three sides correspondingly equal. So this congruency part is SSS. This implies angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. प्रूव्ड. यही आपको प्रूव करना था. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू. अगर आपको ये प्रूफ पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.